Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I've got a new product here to test out. I'm very excited. So I recently bought the OFRA Nikkietutorials highlighting trio exclusive to Ulta. Before I get into opening this and swatching it with you guys, I want to tell you a little bit about the story of how I got this. So for those of you that may not know, Ulta Beauty has this 21 Days of Beauty, and I don't really know exactly when they do this, but I know they're doing it right now, and they have like high-end products 50% off. So this palette is normally $29, and each one of these like individual highlighters for the full size is $35. It was half off for the sale, so it was $14.50, and I thought that was an amazing deal. And I've never tried OFRA highlighters before, ever. And I love Nikkietutorials, so I thought that would be a really nice first OFRA highlighter. Online, on the app, I put this in my basket, and I let it sit there for days until it was finally on sale. And then I went to work the day it was on sale, came home. I was really tired because I didn't sleep well, so I took a nap. When I got up from my nap, it was out of stock online. So the closest Ulta to me is 30 minutes away in a different city. And so I called Ulta and I was like, hey, do you guys have this highlighting palette? And they were like, oh yeah, we do, but we only have 4 left. So they only had 4 left, and I couldn't get there for another 2 hours. So I was starting to get a little concerned and think that I wasn't going to get it, even though I was so excited about it. And I was so excited to do a video because when I looked it up to find a video, I couldn't find a single video about just this exact product. I took a leap of faith and I texted my boyfriend and I was like, hey, are you in said town by Ulta? And he took a little bit to respond, and eventually he did, and he said yes. And I was like, I called him immediately, not knowing that his phone was on 3%. And I was like, hey, can you go to Ulta for me and get this highlighting palette? Because it's out of stock online and I can't get it and I'm really sad. And thankfully he said yes. And he adventured to Ulta for me and probably looked really, really weird going into Ulta. And also I thought he would just like ask the cashier, for what it was. And he didn't. He tried to look for it first himself. So definitely got lost. But thanks to him, I got the palette the day of the sale, and I'm so thankful for that and so excited. Now on to the palette. So this is the Nikkietutorials OFRA Midi palette. 3 shades inside of it is Space Baby, Glazed Doughnut, and Glow Goals. Let there be glow. Go from outer space to a sunny glow in this perfect trio of highlighters created by Nikkietutorials exclusively for Ulta. Use each shade on its own or swirl them together to create your own glow in this travel-friendly compact that comes with a mirror. Now, first of all, I love the packaging. Sorry, I've already looked at it. I mean, I've had it for like a week, so I looked at it. This is the packaging, just this matte white, but has these cute little triangles on it. They're just adorable, and it has all the same information on the back that it does on this, which is nice. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited. Now obviously this shade is too dark for me. I'm kind of hoping that like if I can mix it with one of the other two, it might make it like an okay shade for me, but if not, honestly $14.50 for 2 OFRA highlighters that match me, still a great deal. We have Space Baby over here, which is the blue lilac shade shifting duochrome shade. Then we have Glazed Doughnut, which is a frosty white pearlescent shade, and we have Glow Goals, which is a bronze neutral champagne. So I'm going to swatch all these for you guys. I'm so excited. They feel very buttery and smooth, kind of how I assumed they would feel. Oh, they're beautiful. Alright, so these are the highlights. These are Space Baby, Glazed Doughnut, and Glow Goals. They're so stinking pretty and reflective. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get some highlight on my face. Haven't had highlight on my face all day. Taking a Morphe like tapered highlighting brush, I'm going to go into Space Baby. I don't even know how much to get of this. I don't know, but I'm going to try it on this side. Oh my gosh, wow. That is really, really pretty. And it like goes away when you look in the front, so it's just like really only when the light hits it. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Now for the rest of my face, I'm going to go into Glazed Doughnut, which is the shade I'm the most excited about. Oh my goodness. People are not kidding about Ofra having such good highlighters. I'm just gonna swirl in that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm shook. This Juno & Co. ES08 brush. It's like a tiny little pencil brush. I'm noticing there's some fallout, but I mean, kind of expected that. I'm just gonna put some on my inner corner and that. Some on my inner corners and on my brow bone. I'm so in love with Space Baby, honestly. I didn't think I was gonna like Space Baby so much, but it's amazing. I am absolutely obsessed, okay? I totally get what everybody's talking about with the OFRA highlighters. I mean, look at that glow. That's amazing. Definitely think if you can get any kind of discount on this, then definitely try to, because I know it can be quite expensive. I mean, for like 3 highlighters, $29 isn't that, especially if you could wear all of these shades, that's really not that bad of a price. But I just could not turn down $14.50 for 3 OFRA highlighters. I just, considering I'd never even tried them, I could not turn that down, because just look at how amazing and beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. The verdict is in, and these are an amazing highlight, and I'm obsessed. I'm gonna be using this a lot more, and I give this like a 10 out of 10. I love Nikkietutorials, and she did an amazing job, and oh my goodness. I'm so glad that my boyfriend got this for me. I probably would have cried if I didn't end up getting this in that sale, because 50% off is an amazing deal for any product, and especially some amazing highlighters. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do apologize for missing some uploads. I was sick like the entire month of March, and I'm just now finishing being sick, and I'm trying to build up my immune system so I can stop getting sick, because it's really taken a huge toll on my life the past month. So hopefully I'm back for good to stay. That would be great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you guys like me reviewing products, let me know if there's anything you guys want to see me review, because I love trying new products all the time. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I try and post videos every Saturday. Hopefully I will be back next Saturday. I plan to see you guys then. Bye!